In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who shared your Facebook post. To get started, open Facebook on your iPhone, Android device, or on the web, then sign into your account if needed. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or opening your profile page. This will take you to your timeline, where you can browse through your posts. Next, find the specific post you want to check. Scroll until you locate it, then look just below the post for the engagement section. This is where Facebook shows things like likes, comments, and shares. If a share count appears, tap on it to see whether Facebook gives you more detail. Now, it's important to understand that Facebook does not always make the share count clickable, and even when it does, you may not be able to see every person who shared your post. That depends on privacy settings. If someone shared your post publicly, there's a chance you'll be able to see that shared version by opening the share count or viewing any available list of public shares. However, Facebook only shows shares that are visible to you. So if someone shared your post with a friend's audience, a custom audience, or only me, you usually won't be able to see that share unless you're part of the audience. This is one of the biggest limitations to keep in mind. So don't assume the visible list represents everyone who shared it. You should also check your notifications tab. In some cases, Facebook may alert you when someone publicly shares your post, which can help you spot shares you might not notice from the post itself. If you use professional mode or if you manage a Facebook page, you can also open the Professional Dashboard or Insights section. There, you may be able to review engagement data for eligible posts, including share counts. If the post was published from a Facebook page, go directly to the page, open Professional Dashboard or Insights, and review the post analytics. These tools usually show how many times a post was shared, but not always the identities of the people behind those shares. If you think your post has been shared widely in public, try searching Facebook for a unique phrase from the post. This can sometimes help you find public reposts manually, although it still won't reveal private or friends-only shares. Finally, remember to respect Facebook's privacy settings. You won't be able to see private sharing activity that isn't visible to you. If your goal is to increase visibility in the future, focus on creating engaging content, using strong images or video, encouraging people to share, and setting the audience to public when appropriate. And that's how to check who shared your Facebook post.